How to remove or delete a YouTube Shorts from your account. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy on how you can remove or delete YouTube Shorts. Well, in order to do so, you can either use the YouTube Studio application or you can use the YouTube app. If you do not have the Studio here, then head into your YouTube app and make sure you're onto the account. Then what you can do is you can simply head into the particular channel, right? For example, let me head into this here. Now, once you're on your channel there, what you can do is tap on View Channel option. From there, head into Search tab. Now you can head into Manage Videos first. So once you're on Manage Videos, you can sort by and you can head into Most Viewed, Most Recent, and then you can see Video Shorts. You can head into Shorts option. Once you're on the search page, you can tap on three dots and you can either tap on Edit here and you can simply switch it to Private here. So you can set the video to private or you can delete it. Now here I'm just I just have the access for this page, so I'm not getting the delete option. But if you open up the video there, you should be able to find the delete. If you head into Manage Videos here, you'll find you can either set it to private so that no one else will be able to view, or you can delete it as well. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.